And this is how not to test a battery. Looks good. Good smoke out of that one. Okay, so the first test you want to do on any battery, if it's giving you any sort of trouble, is you want to just test the voltage on it. And to do that, you just need a multimeter, and you want to set it to DC volts. And most meters will say what mode it's on. This says VDC, so it's volts DC. It's as simple as red to positive, black to negative, and see what you got. This is saying 11.52 volts DC. Now we know this is a 12 volt battery, so automatically know it's underneath the rating. But a lot of times this can be cured by a charge if the battery's been sitting for a while. So the more advanced method, use a load tester. And what this does is actually simulates a load on the battery, you know, a starter motor, headlights, something like that. So when you're doing your load test, you need to know the cold cranking amps of the particular battery that you're working on. Some batteries will have it written right on the side, like this one here. This one says 200 cold cranking amps. So that's what you'll want to set your meter at. This one here, which doesn't have it on there, which some batteries don't, you have to either look it up, you know, you can find out from the manufacturer what the cold cranking amps should be. I know this one should be 150 cold cranking amps because I've already looked it up. And so what we're going to do, it's as simple again as hooking up positive to red, negative to black, and the screen comes on here and it says select input test using cold cranking amps. So I'm going to do that, and I already have it set at 150 cold cranking amps. I can, using the arrows here, I can go you know, all the way up to 800, whatever, you know, if you're, you know, doing a car battery, truck battery, something like that. So this one's already set at 150 cold cranking amps, and all we do is we hit enter, and it says testing. And it only takes a couple seconds. And here it's telling me 11.5 volts, but only 8 cold cranking amps. So, you know, just from past experience, that's telling me, yes, I could try charging again, but more than likely, I'm going to say that this battery is done. That rating is just so low that, you know, this battery is more than likely shot.